Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll be going through how we can fix msstdfmt.dll is missing error. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the first solution is to run an SFC scan. Hit Windows key along with the R to open up the run dialog. Then type in cmd and then press Shift Control Enter together to open up the command prompt with administrative privileges. Once the cmd is open, type in sfc/scan now. Then hit enter and wait for the scan to be completed and see if issues still persist or not. Solution number 2 is about adding DLL manually. Once you have downloaded the DLL on your computer, right click on it and then copy it. Then navigate to the directory C, Windows and System32 folder, or in case you are running on a 64-bit operating system, then you can go to C, Windows and syswow64. Now simply paste that file by right clicking on the empty space anywhere and then click paste. Now once again press Windows key along with R to open up the run dialog and then type in cmd by holding Shift Control Enter to open up the administrative privileges. Now once you are in the cmd, for 32-bit version, simply paste the following command, or in case you are on 64-bit, then you can go on and paste the following command. Hopefully the issue should be resolved. We hope that this was helpful for you guys. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.